Hello everyone. In this Delft Stack video I will show you how to clear system data on your iPhone step by step. If your iPhone is running low on storage, system data can often take up several gigabytes of space. This storage includes caches, logs, temporary files, and other system resources that build up over time. Let's begin by clearing your Safari cache. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down until you find Apps. Tap on Apps and then scroll down to Safari. Tap on Safari to open its settings. Scroll down and tap on Clear History and Website Data. Make sure the time range is set to All History. If you have multiple profiles, select All Profiles. Also make sure the option to close tabs is enabled. After that, tap Clear History. This removes browsing history, cookies, cached website files, and other temporary data stored by Safari. If you use Google Chrome regularly, it is also a good idea to clear the browsing data inside Chrome because browser cache can consume a significant amount of storage over time. Now let's check what is using storage on your device. Go back to Settings, tap General, and then tap iPhone Storage. Here you will see a breakdown of everything stored on your phone. Scroll through the list and review which apps are taking up the most space. At the bottom of the storage page, you may notice a category called System Data. This is where caches, logs, temporary files, and system resources are stored. One thing many people overlook is old software update files. While still inside iPhone storage, tap Show All Apps if necessary. Sort or scroll through the list and look for an item called Software Update. Sometimes an iOS update downloads to the device but does not install properly. These update files can remain on the phone and consume a large amount of storage. If you see a software update entry taking up storage, you can tap it and remove the downloaded update file if it is no longer needed. Another effective method is offloading large apps. Return to the storage list and look for apps that are using a lot of space. Apps such as video editors, social media platforms, streaming apps, and messaging apps often accumulate large amounts of cache and temporary files. Tap on an app that is using a significant amount of storage, then tap Offload app. Offloading removes the app itself while keeping your documents and personal data. After the process is complete, tap Reinstall app. This installs a fresh version of the application and often removes a large amount of cached data and temporary files. You can repeat this process for other large apps on your device. It is a simple way to recover storage without losing important information. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel Delft Stack. We regularly post easy-to-follow guides that help you get the most out of your devices. Now let's move on to one of the most effective ways to reduce system data. System data often grows while your iPhone remains powered on for long periods. A force restart can clear temporary system caches and remove unnecessary files currently being used by the operating system. To force restart your iPhone, quickly press and release the volume up button. Immediately press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button even when the slide to power off screen appears. Continue holding until the screen turns black and the Apple logo appears. Once you see the Apple logo, release the side button and allow the iPhone to restart normally. After the restart is complete, return to Settings, General, and iPhone Storage. In many cases, you will notice that the System Data category has been reduced because temporary caches and logs have been cleared. Keep in mind that system data naturally increases over time as you use your device. The goal is not necessarily to eliminate it completely but to keep it from growing excessively. Now you know several effective methods to clear system data on your iPhone and free up valuable storage space. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel Delft Stack for more step-by-step iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.